Hey guys, I just want to touch base with you because I know that your first assessment for math is getting ready to come up here at the end of the week. This assessment is going to be used a little bit differently during continual learning. I know that this first one was a lot of review from when we were in school, but that was 2 weeks ago, and the rest you've been doing at home. This is really an open-ended assessment to let your parents and myself know if you guys are grasping this information, if it's working to learn it from home, or if we need to maybe redo some of this when you guys do come back to school next year. So parents, I'm going to walk you through how I would do this assessment with students. And because I really look at the assessment as not a way to trick kids, but really a way just to see what they truly do know. So if I were going to give this assessment with my kids in class, I read every question to them and I will repeat it as many times as they want, because this is to see how they're doing on their math, not on their reading and comprehension abilities. So with that, I would read every one. I'd work with them. Some of your kids will be able to do it at their own pace, and some of you then will need an adult to sit by them one-on-one. I have highlighted a couple things that I would spend some extra time explaining during the test. Right here on number 2, it says standard form, expanded form, and word form. I would remind them, standard form is when you're using the digits. So here we would have a 3-digit number. So here on standard form, you should have 3 numbers, 3 digits. Expanded form would be your 100, how many hundreds, plus how many tens, plus how many ones. Word form would be writing it out. We talked about writing it like it's on a check. So if I wrote a check for 600 and something, I would need to write out the word 6, S-I-X, 100, H-U-N-D-R-E-D. I am fine if you help them with this. We have a dictionary in class where they can look up how to spell these words. And again, we're not assessing their ability to spell on this. We just want to know if they know the math to do that. And then if I keep going through the test, a lot of this I feel they should be able to do. Here on number 10, it says choose all that apply. I do remind them that choose all that apply means that there will be more than one right answer, and then I tell them how many there will be. On this test, there will be 2 right answers for that one. Down here on number 13, there are 367 girls and 326 boys at a school, which is the expanded form for the number of boys. So I would remind them to look at the detail in that problem and look at what they're asking you for. Number 14, again, is choose all that apply. So on this one, there are 3 correct answers. And then I believe that is it. Number 18, they should be familiar with this, that to look across, here's your problem, and you answer yes or no for that one. Here's your problem, and you answer yes or no. Other than that, I think they should be able to do most of this on their own. I'm going to leave this open to you. If you want to put a paper copy back in that crate when you pick up your next round of work, that would be fine. If you would like to take screenshots and send it to me in Seesaw, that'll work too. I'm totally flexible with this. I really just want to see how we're doing with things. And if it's not going well, then maybe we need to take some time and go back over some things. So again, nothing here is to trick you up, parents or students. We're all in this together. So good luck. Let me know how it goes.